Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday appreciated the efforts of the doctors and other frontline workers in India's fight against the coronavirus pandemic. He was addressing a group of medical professionals as he inaugurated the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences in Karnataka. Here are the details.
Addressing the gathering via video conferencing, Prime Minister Modi said the medical community is like soldiers without uniforms and any violence against them will not be tolerated. He further said, coronavirus may be an invisible enemy, but the country's warriors, the medical workers, are invincible.
The world is looking up to our doctors, nurses, medical staff, and scientific community with hope and gratitude. The world seeks both care and cure from you. Friends, at the root of India's brave fight against COVID-19 is the hard work of the medical community and our corona warriors.
Prime Minister Modi said COVID-19 is the biggest crisis since two world wars and post-COVID-19 the world will be very different. He further called for the need to focus on human-centric development. The Prime Minister added that the centre will pass a law to deal with the shortage of paramedical personnel.
Friends, earlier the debates on globalizations have focused on economic issues. Now, the world must unite and focus on humanity-centric aspects of development. Advancements nations make in the health sector will matter more than ever before. Friends, during the last 6 years, we in India, many initiatives in healthcare and medical education.
Prime Minister Modi said that during the last 6 years, the government has given topmost priority to reforms in health and medical education. He asserted that the country has seen rapid progress in setting up 22 more All India Institute of Medical Sciences. He added that over the last 5 years, over 30,000 seats in MBBS and 15,000 seats in post-graduation programs have been increased. Prime Minister Modi also sought a discussion on the advances in telemedicine, use of Make in India products in healthcare and IT tools in the medical sector. He also mentioned the Ayushman Bharat, stating that the world's largest healthcare scheme belongs to India.
We are broadly working on 4 pillars. The first is preventive healthcare. This includes the importance to yoga, Ayurveda, and general fitness. More than 40,000 wellness centers have been opened where a key focus is on controlling lifestyle-related disease. The success of the Swachh Bharat mission is another key part of preventive healthcare. The second is affordable healthcare. Ayushman Bharat, the world's largest healthcare scheme, belongs to India. In less than 2 years, 1 crore people have benefited from this Ayushman Bharat scheme.
The Prime Minister informed that 12 crore people downloaded the Arogya Setu application, which had proven helpful in India's battle against the viral infection.